My name is Pragya Khurana and I am an occupational therapist. I am going to tell you some news today. The government had banned 118 apps including PUBG on Wednesday, stating threat to national security as the reason. PUBG PC is still available in the country. Following ban on PUBG, Akshay Kumar announces Fauji action game on Twitter under Prime Minister Narendra Modi Atmanirbhar movement. So here are the medical news. Active cases of COVID-19 are across 4 million and recoveries are over 3 million. Deaths 70,000. Russia's Sputnik V COVID-19 vaccine produced an antibody response in all the participants according to results from phase 1 and 2 that were published in the Lancet Medical Journal. A sero survey conducted at a leading hospital in New Delhi over 5 months has found that the antibodies against the coronavirus stay in body for 60 to 80 days. WHO Director General says the first priority must be to vaccinate some people in all countries rather than all people in some countries, that is vaccine nationalism. 78 rich nations joined COVAX access plan, says WHO, and US says it won't join COVAX project. WHO says vaccine research phase 3 must take longer, so do not expect widespread vaccinations against COVID-19 until the middle of next year. Air pollution makes flower odors unattractive to moths. However, the researchers are surprised that the innate attraction was completely lost in the presence of increased ozone levels. Use of hair dye is very popular, particularly among older age groups keen to cover up the signs of grey. But study from Harvard University says it can cause you cancer. 80 doctors and nurses quit Pune's jumbo COVID facility over safety issues at College of Engineering, Pune. Some workers of political parties had gate crashed and abused the medical staff, raising the concerns regarding their safety. And now we are going for educational news. NEET is scheduled to take place on September 13. Chhattisgarh CM Bhupesh Baghel has instructed the district collectors to arrange for free transport for aspirants appearing for NEET and JEE exams to reach the examination centers. Madhya Pradesh government has also announced to provide free travel for NEET and JEE candidates. Bombay High Court says students in flood-hit parts of Vidarbha region can seek re-exam on JEE. Delhi schools will be closed till 30th September. Students from classes 9 to 12 can visit their schools voluntarily for taking guidance from their teachers from 21st September. Up to 50% of staff can be called to schools outside COVID-19 containment zones. Parents of at least 25 schools in Mumbai says that schools are charging fees for facilities not being provided at the moment. Final year exams will be conducted by the September end, UGC says. Calcutta University has announced to conduct final year exams online from October 1 to 18. The University Grants Commission has asked the universities across the nation to start the process of provisional admission for undergraduate and postgraduate courses. The admission process for UG/PG courses for the academic year 2021 has already been concluded on August 31, 2020. Supreme Court has allowed states to grant reservation benefits to in-service doctors in NEET postgraduate degree courses. Rajasthan police exam will be held in November for 5,438 constable posts. Over 17 lakh aspirants are expected to appear in exam. A man from Jharkhand rides 1200 km on scooter to take pregnant wife for exam in Madhya Pradesh. They faced a lot of problems due to rains, less money and less transportation services. Unemployment rate in India at 8.35% in August 2020 according to data from Center for Monitoring Indian Economy Private Limited. In July, it was 7.40. Thank you guys for listening. Stay connected, stay tuned.